everyone, Zach Pagoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 9-3 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 9-3 work together. In the last video, I read over the 9-3 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 9-3 work together, where we will be performing other cash payments journal operations. So the instructions say the cash payments journals and petty cash report for Keller Lighting are given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. The abbreviation for a check is C. Number 1. Rule page 5 of the cash payments journal using March 27th of the current year. Number 2. Begin page 6 of a cash payments journal. Number 3. Kevin Tomlinson is the custodian of a $200 petty cash account. On March 31st, he had receipts for the following total payments. Supplies-office, $45.23. Supplies-store, $66.18, and miscellaneous, $49.25. A cash count shows $40.59 in the petty cash box. Prepare the petty cash report. Number 4. Record the replenishment of the fund on March 31st, check number 536. And number 5, total, prove, and rule the cash payments journal. Alright, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 9-3 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 9-3 work together, in which we will be performing additional cash payments journal operations. So the first thing that we're going to do is draw a single line rule here for page 5 of the cash payments journal. Next, we're going to put in the date, which is March 27th, in the date column. After that, we're going to put in the words carried forward in the account title column. After that, we're going to place a check mark in the check number column and also the post reference column. And finally, we're going to draw a double line rule. Okay, so that is page 5 of the cash payments journal completed. Now we're going to be moving on to the petty cash report. Okay, now we will be completing the petty cash report. So the first thing that we're going to do is put in the date, which is March 31st, of the current year, which is 2021. Next, we're going to put in the name of the custodian, which is Kevin Tomlinson. After that, we're going to come down to the reconciliation column and put in the amount, which is $200. The next thing that we're going to do is fill out the fund total payments. So the first fund total payment is supplies-office, and the amount is $45.23. The next fund total payment is supplies-store, and the amount is $66.18. And the last fund total payment is miscellaneous expense. And the amount is $49.25. The next thing that we're going to do is using the sum formula, we are going to total all of the payments. So we're going to type in equals sum, select the $45.23, and drag it down to the $49.25, and then press enter. And that gives us $160.66. We're going to bring that amount over to the replenish amount column. The next thing that we're going to do is calculate the recorded amount on hand, and the way we do that is by taking the $200 and subtracting it from the $160.66. So we're going to type in equals, take the $200, subtract it from 160.66, and then press enter. And that gives us $39.34. The actual amount on hand is $40.59. So if we take these two numbers and subtract them, that gives us $1.25, which, as you can see here, is a negative. And in accounting, we use parentheses to indicate that there is a negative number. We're going to bring that amount over to the replenish amount column. And then, if we take these two numbers and subtract them, that will give us the amount to replenish. So if we take 160.66, subtract it from $1.25, that gives us $159.41, which is the amount to replenish. All right, so that is the completed petty cash report. Now we're going to be moving on to completing Cash Payments Journal, page 6, and also proving that our debits equal our credits. All right, now we're going to be completing Cash Payments Journal, page 6, but before we do that, we're going to prove that our debits equal our credits. So the first column that we're going to total is going to be the general debit column. So we have $18,486.85 plus $45.23 plus $66.18 plus $49.25. That will give us $18,647.51. So we're going to record that amount in the general debit column total. The next column that we're going to total is going to be the general credit column. So we have $458.56 plus $1.25, and that will give us $459.81. So we're going to record that amount in the general credit column total. The next column that we're going to total is going to be the accounts payable debit column. Well, this column only has one number in it, which is $16,483.50. So we're just going to bring this number on over and record it in the accounts payable debit column total. The next column that we're going to total is going to be the purchases discount credit column. And again, this column only has one number in it, which is $251.34. So we're just going to bring that number on over and record it in the purchases discount credit column total. The last column that we're going to total is going to be the cash credit column. So we have $34,260.45 plus $159.41. That will give us $34,419.86. So we're going to record that amount in the cash credit column total. The next thing that we're going to do is, using the sum formula, we are going to total the debit column totals and also the credit column totals. So we're going to type in equals sum, select cells B2 to B6, and then press enter. And that gives us $35,131.01. We're going to do the same thing with the credit column totals. We're going to type in equals sum, select cells D2 to D6, and then press enter. And that also gives us $35,131.01. So since these two numbers are the same, we are done with proving that debits equal credits. The next thing that we're going to do is return back to Cash Payments Journal page 6 and draw a single line rule here. And then we're going to record the totals in the appropriate column. So the total in the general debit column was $18,647.51. The total in the general credit column was $459.81. The total in the accounts payable debit column was $16,483.50. The total in the purchases discount credit column was $251.34. And the total in the cash credit column was $34,419.86. The next thing that we're going to do is put in the date, which is March 31st, in the date column. After that, we're going to identify these numbers as totals. And finally, we're going to draw a double line rule. All right, so that was proof of debits equaling credits, the completed Cash Payments Journal page 6, and also the end of the 9-3 work together. In the next video, I will be going over the 9-4 text. Okay, thank you.